Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a pink and gold makeup tutorial. I don't use gold products that often because I don't feel like it's a color that looks good on me. So I am going to just talk about some of the products that I already have on my face because I can't allow my videos to go over 10 minutes, otherwise I can't post them on TikTok. So I started with Lush Snow Fairy Lip Mask to hydrate my lips. Then I used the new Hard Candy Girl Scouts Milk and Cookies Primer from the new limited edition Girl Scouts collection. Then I used NYX Pro Fix Stick Pink Corrector. And then over that, I put the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. I'm using the new Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation in shade 115. And I like this better when I don't set it with a powder. And I feel like the coverage is good enough that I don't really need to do that. Then I contoured my face with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand in Fair/Light. And then I did my brows with NYX Lift Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Ash Brown. All right, we're going to take it from there. Okay, the blush I'm going to use today is from Ioni, which is a brand they only sell at Dollar Tree, and I don't know if you can still get this, but I thought it was just the shade of pink that I was looking for when I was looking through all my blushes. So I'm going to use my Essence blush brush, and this is super pigmented, so we're going to just do one dot, okay, and then I'm going to tap that on my face on both sides and then blend it in. One tap for both sides. These blushes, yeah, they are crazy pigmented. They're almost like too pigmented because it's very difficult to blend all this in. Now, if you have a blush that is too pigmented for fair skin, there is something you can do. Like, that's too bright for me. So I'm going to show you a trick of how you can kind of fix that. See, this side looks okay, but this side is too much. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a loose powder, and this is Maybelline Fit Me in Fair, and I'm going to tap a little bit of powder into the cover. I'm going to take my brush that I used for my blush and take some of the powder on that, tap off the excess, and then go on the side that looks too bright. Which side was it? This one. And I'm going to buff a little bit of that into that blush. And see, that will make it a little bit less pigmented. So now this side doesn't look like it's as bright as this side. Well, the only thing I can really do, if I try to put more blush on this side, then it's going to be too much again. So I'm just going to have to keep blending this with powder to try to make it even. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that's about all you can do, because if you try to go in with more blush on the side that's not as pigmented, then you're going to be right back where you started. So I think that's pretty balanced now. Okay, now the next product I'm going to use, God, this product has been around for so many years, and I picked it up again because I thought that the colors would come in handy. This is a Revlon cream eyeshadow palette. The name of it is Not Just Nudes. And today I'm going to use this shade right here as an eyeshadow base. I've been doing this all the time now, using cream and liquid eyeshadows as a base. But I'm going to apply it with my Revlon, oh gosh, I can't remember the name of this thing. Hold on. I actually have a backup. It's the Revlon Dual-Ended Jelly Makeup Blender. This is what it looks like in the package. Yeah, I bought a backup because I didn't know how long this product would be around, because you know sometimes things aren't around forever. So I wanted to get a backup in case something happened to my original, then I would always have one, because this can really come in handy. So we're going to use the small side because it is dual ended. And I love this for cream eyeshadows that are like in pot form. This is one of my favorite ways to use this tool. So we're just going to swirl the applicator in the product like that. And I'm going to use that as a base. So, I mean, obviously you can use your fingers, but sometimes, do you ever have days where you just don't want to get your fingers all dirty with makeup? Okay, and I'm going to do another layer because I want to make sure that I have plenty of product on here. Now this does have, like, I would say a sheen to it, so it isn't glittery. It's just a sheen. So you can see it, but this isn't the type of shadow that you would probably want to do on its own. M506 brush, and I get this at Ulta. I keep meaning to pick up a second one of these as a backup because I don't have any other brushes that are this size that are fluffy like this, and it's great for applying pigments. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip this in my container, and these pigments don't come with a container. You have to buy your own. They come in a little plastic envelope, and they do that to cut down on costs, I'm sure, because these pigments are not expensive, and one small size sample will last you a really long time. So I'm tapping off the excess so that I just have a small amount, because if you put too much it looks crazy. So I'm going to show you what I do here. I just gently blend this onto the area where I applied the cream product. Isn't that pretty? So this is like just mica powder. But this is how I am so into doing my makeup right now. A cream or liquid colored base that matches whatever I'm doing for an eyeshadow, and in this case this would be the powder eyeshadow that I'm putting on top of it. But always make sure that if you buy from this company that you check the safety information, because not all products are going to be safe for everything. Like some things aren't safe for lips, some things aren't safe for eyes, so make sure that you read that information on the website page where the product is listed. Isn't that pretty though? Okay, I'm gonna do the other eyes, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and come back and show you what I'm gonna do for a lip product. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna use my LA Colors Gel Lip Liner in Hottie, and I get these there are select Walmart stores that sell LA Colors. So I'm just lining my lips, and then for my lip product, I'm going to use the new MCoBeauty Bouncy Jelly Tint in Pink Pop. And I applied this, I think, in another video with a brush, but I'm going to try to do it from the tube today. I love the way this feels on the lips. Okay, I didn't go outside my lip line, yay. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's the finished look, and I'll see you next time. Bye.